Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Keya's Craze. Today I am going to show you different types of threads which I use and how you can keep them properly so that they don't get tangled. It's a requested video. For beginners, it's an important video. You can see a wool thread. There are different branded wools in market. This is 1 ounce wool. There are two types of wools you can find in market. This is a washed wool. You can see the quality of this wool is not so good. This wool is sold per kg. You can see the texture of this wool is not so good. You can use single ply of this wool, or you can separate the strings from this wool thread. This is a silk thread and it's sold per ounce, and it is also sold in reels. Now watch carefully how I am opening this thread. If you keep this thread like this, then it can get tangled. So you can reserve this by giving few knots like this. This is a rayon thread. It is slightly different from silk thread. You can keep this as a silk thread. Another way of reserving these threads is plaiting. Now this is a cotton Lotsa thread which I regularly use in my videos. You can get it per ounce in market. You have to open the fold like this and cut it from the middle. For reservation, you can give notes. This is an anchor thread and there are different brands in the market. It is also known as DMC thread. This is how you can open it before stitch. You can use a single ply or you can separate the strings from here. This is the end of my video tutorial. I hope this video would be helpful to you. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.